Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the new Ergo Embrace with a newborn. This is a really lovely carrier. It's a great choice if you really like the idea of a stretchy wrap or something soft and lightweight, but you're not really sure about wrapping. You'd rather have something more structured, then this is a really good option for you. It's suitable for babies from birth to about 6 months of age, and you can use it on your front. Most of the time you'll have baby facing you, but you do have the option with this one when the baby's about 4 months old and onwards to have baby facing outwards. But for a newborn, what we need to do is we hold it up in front of us like so, and we're going to roll the waistband over twice. So we go over and over again, and that's just made it much smaller to fit a newborn. We're then going to put it around our waist, so not too low. Don't want it on your hips, you want it on your actual waist. Round to the side where the buckle is, and then clip it in. There is elastic here, a little extra safety elastic for you to pop that buckle through and clip in, and then tighten. Okay, you want it not so tight that it's uncomfortable, but you want it not to keep sliding down. Okay. So we're going to take our baby, and you want baby to be on your chest in a nice natural height, the sort of height that you would hold them naturally if you were giving them a cuddle. Just sitting on the top of that, where that waistband is. Okay, when they're nice and straight, keep one hand on their back, and with the other hand go underneath their bottom, under the fabric. I've got my hand on the baby's bottom, and I'm going to sweep this fabric up over their back so that this padded section comes up to their neck, and then this strap goes over this shoulder, and this strap goes over this shoulder. Okay, keeping one hand on baby, I'm going to turn around, I'm going to reach round behind me, I'm going to go underneath this strap, and I'm going to grab the opposite one and pull it down to the ground, nice and tight on the shoulder. And then I'm going to bring that strap around to this buckle that's on the side here, and just clip that in, and then pull this strap backwards just to tighten it up. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same with the other side. So I'm going to reach around behind me, grab it and pull it downwards across my back and clip it in like so, and pull it back, and that's it. Baby is in there really snugly. This is really lightweight, it's comfortable on my shoulders. I can spread it out if I want to, or just keep it tucked up, and the baby's head is supported nicely with this little cushion bit, and you can see that their legs are nice and wide. If you were to look sideways, you can see that their bottom is sinking slightly lower than their knees. That's the perfect position for their hips. And that's it. It's a really straightforward, simple carrier. To get them out again, one hand on their back, undo the buckle and let go. Same here, undo the buckle and let go. Take the shoulder straps off, let it drop, and then you can put your baby down safely before you go on to take the rest of the carrier off. It's really lightweight as well, so once you've taken it off, you can roll it up really small, and that will easily fit inside a changing bag or in the bottom of a pram or a buggy. So yeah, it's a really good choice. So that's the Ergo Embrace.